Thanks for dropping by. Today we look at how to jazz up your bathroom using a shower curtain. I'm Lee Brown from interiordesign.com, and today I'll talk you through how the smallest detail can change the look of your bathroom. Yes, it's that humble little shower curtain. Shower curtains have never been so popular. Almost everywhere you look today there's a sale on, at bed and bath stores all around us, and the selection of shower curtains that pop off on my computer screen and on TV is just mind-boggling. But it's also great for us as interior designers. So today we're going to look at how to jazz up your bathroom using a shower curtain. We'll cover how to evaluate the space that you have, how to select a practical shower curtain, and talk about going big for great impact if you want it to be the feature, or just keeping it simple if we don't want to highlight the shower curtain. Do you remember when the only shower curtain that you could buy was limp and thin and clung to you with the slightest breeze in the bathroom? Oh, I'm just shivering at remembering the thought. Well, that's all changed now, and the shower curtain business is thriving, and the competition to sell you as a designer a shower curtain is very high. So what does that mean to us, the interior designer or decorator? It means that we can now renovate or remodel a simple bathroom quickly and effectively by using one ingredient. Yes, just that one shower curtain. Well, perhaps I exaggerate a little. You will need a shower curtain rail or rod to hold it up, but sometimes they do come with a track. And that all depends on the shape of the space that you want to place your shower curtain. But apart from that, the most hardest decision is what style you want. But first we have to evaluate the space and figure out how the shower curtain will fit in and how it will be able to hang. We need to measure the width and the height required, and then we need to figure out where we can fix a rail or track safely. So you can see in this image a simple rod across from one side of the shower opening space to the other allows for the curtain rail to hang and slide easily to open and close. Cute design too, it definitely makes a statement. As a designer, I'm always practical, so we want to select a practical shower curtain that's going to work in that space. We want a curtain that reaches the full length of the shower and the full width. We don't want any gaps so that water can get through or cold air can blow on us. We want a curtain that fits with the style of the bathroom, and we also want a curtain that's easy to clean and look after. So they're key things to look for when we're going to buy a shower curtain. So how do you change the look of a bathroom with a simple shower curtain? It's easy. As you can see with this bathroom photograph, that the look of the bathroom is simple, but with the choice of shower curtain and a very elaborate fabric design, it complements the bath detail, and with the addition of a blue and white vase, the three elements make a big design impact and feature for the room. For practical purposes, I would probably place the shower curtain inside the bath when I was using it, but now if we could imagine how it would look with a black shower curtain. The look would be heavy and look out of place. Now think about how it would look with a simple white shower curtain. This used to be about the only colour choice we used to have, but now there's so many. The bathroom could then look more like, if we used the white shower curtain, it would look more like a hotel space, simple and clean. Another example is a clear plastic shower curtain. What sort of look would that create? If you had a busy home with lots of kids, perhaps you could add a colour like a bright red, something fun and stimulating for your morning shower. There's just so much choice. You can start to understand what I'm talking about when you can look at one small photograph of a simple shower over a bath and start to change only one piece of the design, how many different looks you can possibly achieve. You can even have an everyday shower curtain like this one, and one for when guests come to stay, to jazz it up a bit. Just like you do with the lovely towels you bring out only when the guests visit. So in this example you can see that using a white shower curtain with a simple detail keeps the space looking clean and open. How would it look with a dark shower curtain? Yes, you're right, it would close the space in. There are so many options for shower curtains, so take your time and look around, find the ones that you want. Did you know that shower curtains can also be used to create privacy in the bathroom? Shower curtains are a useful design tool. They are practical, they keep the water in the shower space. They can be decorative, they change the look of a bathroom. And they can be economical. They're a useful tool for a quick makeover using a shower curtain and matching accessories. So next time you see a TV ad or an ad pops up on your computer for a bed and bath store advertising shower curtains, don't think of them as horrible wet clingy pieces of fabric anymore. Think of them as a quick and easy way to jazz up your bathroom, brighten your day and impress your guests. And the best part is that it's so economical to do. So have fun decorating your bathroom with the humble shower curtain. So let's summarise how we jazz things up using shower curtains. We always want to check that we've got the right size for the job. We want to check the height and the width. We want to make sure it's practical. We want to make sure we can install it easy enough using a rod or a simple track. If we want to go for a big impact change, then we look for a big design. If we just want to have a shower curtain that's practical and blends into the space, then we try and look for a shower curtain that keeps it simple. So thanks for watching today. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel, visit our website interiordesign.com, get a free course on interior decorating, and there's a whole lot of articles about bathrooms and how you can change the look of your bathroom, all right back all the way down to what a tap is, how water flows around your house. There's a whole lot of information about bathrooms on interiordesign.com. So pop over there now and have a look. And it's bye for me, Lee Brown from interiordesign.com. Have a great day.